Mysterious, mystic, and alluring, mermaids have always been very wonderful creatures of another realm. The people of the sea, at least those that believe.
I'm drowning inside our love. I'm sick inside, can't trust the lies you tell.
Today's look is another Halloween-inspired makeup tutorial. I've always loved the mermaid look and fairy tale aesthetic, so I decided to show you how you can easily recreate this look and share some tips on outfits and accessories to mermaid up. I actually recreated this look almost 2 years ago, but my mermaid look was more aqua green. Let's begin. For the face, I love using the Huda Beauty foundation and just buff this into the face to bring out my natural features. This will also help with the scales that we will put on our face later. So as you all know, I love priming my eyes with the Shape Tape Concealer. This will make your eyeshadow colors pop more, and since it is a mermaid look, we want to make sure our eyes are very colorful, but I also wanted more of a mysterious look as well. Eyes. Taking clean hands, I used the shade Fault Line from Colourpop. This is a very intense purple blue shade, and placed this shade all over the eyelid space while creating a V shape to my outer V area. Sometimes your hand moisture will really intensify colors from eyeshadows better than brushes due to the warmth your hands create. Then, to fix the outer edge of my eyes, I used a fluffy brush to balance the eyeshadow shape more. Then, taking the shade Play by Play, which is a dark moss shimmer green, I placed this color on the outer V to give my eyes more depth, since I wanted a more mysterious mermaid look. To make this eye look pop more, I took the shade Glass Bull, which is a beautiful duochrome purple metallic blue from Colourpop, and placed this in the middle lid, making the eyes look like sharp crystals. Then I took the color Now and Zen and placed this as the brow bow shade. I felt like some of the purple was lost a little, so I went back in with Fault Line, the first purple shade we took, and in window wipe motion placed this on the outer crease to make the color peek through and balance all the shades out. Then, taking a white eye pencil from Makeup Forever, I used this to give my eyes a sharp cat eye shape and thought white looks more ethereal than black, but I also created a pointed corner in the inner duct and butt this white line down a little to make the eyes look like we came from the sea. Okay, so for this tutorial, you will need some sort of hairnet, fishnets to create some scales, and this can be found at any beauty shop and usually very inexpensive. I think I paid like $2 for mine. As far as scales go, you can really put them wherever you want, but I wanted to create a bit of an exaggerated contour look. So for this look, I took the purple shade I worked with, and this is so important. Stamp, don't rub your eyeshadow for the scale design. You can get the closest looks to mermaid scales if you stamp. I also used a big powder brush to stamp out the color I wanted to show the most, in this case the purple. Then, taking a small fluffy eyeshadow brush, I used this color in Venice by Anastasia Beverly Hills to give that glowing mermaid effect. Like we came from the sea, and used this as an ombre effect above the purple shade. Think of it as Mermaid Highlight. Next, to add a bit of highlight, and more highlight because highlight is just fun, I took the shade Snake Eyes by Colourpop, which is an eyeshadow, and brought this color or highlight to the bridge of my nose, above the cheeks and forehead, and some on the cupid's bow. I felt like this pink shimmer was subtle enough for our green-purple scales. Time for the big reveal. Last, I ended this look using mascara with my favorite mascara from Tarte in Lights, Camera, and Action, which happens to have scales on it. How appropriate. To lift the lashes up. For the lips, I used this Creme Lipstick by Colourpop and Chocolatier, which is a chocolate brown shade. Place this all over the lips. And half of you are probably like, what? That doesn't make sense. Well, let me show you how to achieve those mermaid lips. Then, I took the purple eyeshadow in Fault Line to make the lips a dark purple and just stamped the dark purple on the dark chocolate brown lipstick. And to really give my lips a more of a mermaid punch, I used the shade Glass Bull to help give the lips a more sparkle mermaid effect. You really gotta love how makeup can really be multifunctional. Outfits. As far as outfits go, I went with something more modern, and also you gotta think mermaid. I got these black mermaid leggings from Amazon 2 years ago, and I still use them from time to time since they are very versatile with outfits, plus they're black. You can even wear an asymmetrical skirt. That's another option to give you that mermaid tail effect, or a long skirt. For shirts, yeah, you could wear a mermaid bralette, but it's usually cold in New York by the time it's Halloween, so I'll give you a few other options instead. You can also wear a sequin top like I did last year with my mermaid look. If you want, your sequin top can match your mermaid eyes. You can also use off-shoulder tops like I did here, and it will give you more of a modest look as well. I also went with these olive-toned pointy flats to give you the illusion that I have a tail. For this look, I bought this headpiece 2 years ago when I first did the look from Amazon. There are also some really cool ones with seashells on them, or you can go more simple and add pearl clips. These pearl clips are very popular and trendy right now on Instagram. I've seen them on so many photos of people wearing them. And also pearls is another aesthetic for mermaids, so I thought it was really appropriate. And also I wanted to change up the look from when I did it the first time. And also I feel like it gives more of modern mermaid vibes. Hope you llamas enjoyed this Halloween makeup tutorial, and see you guys all in the next one. Bye guys!